Hey guys, this is Logitech Pro X60 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming keyboard. Ultra compact TKL 60% mechanical keyboard, light sync RGB, dual shot PBT key caps, GX optical tactile switches, window PC. TKL 60% mechanical keyboard is the next generation of the professional wireless keyboard designed with esports athletes to provide top performance and secure the win. Size matters. Maximize your space with zero compromise on performance. Pro grade tech. Standard keyboard layout with 3P compatibility, media control, volume roller, and customizable light sync RGB backlight keys via G-Hub. Optical switch customization is the key. Key control technology allow pro level customization of every key and 5 unique layers to make your small gaming keyboard quintessential control center. Play with tournament proven reliability and speed. Connect via wireless LIGHTSPEED adapter with super fast 1 ms response rate or via Bluetooth optical USB connection as well. We're going to check this keyboard out and see what is inside. There we go. You can see the box. Super packaging. Very light. Look at that. You can see what it looks like. Very light. Switch it on and off on this button. You switch the Bluetooth and wireless on this button. This is the information pack, the power cables, and adapter. You also have spare. This is what we have here. So these are the stuff. This is the unboxing. Switch it on from this button here on top, and you can see the light. Very smooth. This is for your game. Highly recommended. This is what is included in the packaging. Super light. Thank you.